Thanks for checking out 3D Products. I'm Donald Williams. In this segment, we're going to show you the power of 3D's eraser gel. So you'll notice that these water spots are pretty heavy. This is actually regular, just out of the tap water. That's why if you have a chance or you go through and you see the water, or if you have an opportunity, you'll want to wash with DI water if that's an option for you. Most of you at home, you don't really have that option. A lot of your water spots are going to come from your sprinklers, such things as that. But as far as when it comes to washing it, if you have access to DI water, deionized water, which is removal of the minerals, that's going to help prevent these types of stains. Now if you notice here on the black hood, we have some tremendous water stains. We're going to take and show you, we'll rub on them real quick. Show that they're not just coming off, they're not just dirt, they're not just regular water sitting there, anything colored. It's actually a stain from hard water that has been sitting and etching itself into the clear coat. We're going to take now and put 3D eraser gel on a light purple foam pad sponge. Then we're going to take and scrub it back and forth. Not too hard, just give a nice light little scrub. Let the product work itself in. Let it sit for about a minute. Now you might notice here that Francisco is using our 3-inch light purple spider foam pad, the polishing pad. We like it because it absorbs a little bit more product. The product doesn't flash out as much. Not necessary in this case, but definitely is something that is handy. We know that it's not going to over scratch, but we do know that the product will hold itself in there and it will be able to help in the removing and correction process of water spot removal. So now that the product has sat, we're going to take and we're going to wash it off with waterless car wash to help neutralize the acid that's in there. Just rinse it down. Make sure you remove it completely, 100%. The thing that you have to realize with 3D eraser gel is that it is an acid and it has to be neutralized completely or it'll continue to eat. Make sure that you get it off of any areas that might have glass, plexiglass, any of those things that it can continue to eat, because it will stain, will etch into those surfaces. So now that it's completely removed, you can look at it, see if there's some water spots still remaining, and go ahead and remove those. And now you'll notice here if there's a couple more spots that you have as you look into it, go ahead and reapply. You don't want to let it sit longer, because that's not the way this product works. You want to remove it completely, then go back over it again if there's still some remaining water spot etching in your clear coat or on your glass. Now remember, you do put it on glass, it has to be removed within 60 seconds as it will start to etch if you do not do so. So go ahead, rinse it off, reapply it, rinse it off as you need, and then you can see here, it's all done, nice and clean. Thanks for checking us out on 3dproducts.com or YouTube. Make sure you share us with your friends. That way they can keep up to date with all 3D's latest and greatest innovative car care products. Till next time, I'm Donald Williams.